You want to set that off?
Yeah. Happy 4th of July. Heck yeah.
You want to do it down there more?
Right here.
I don't know if we're allowed.
What do you mean? It's the 4th of July.
These guys, old people walking to it. They're going to ruin their morning. They're going to hate it.
No, they're going to love it. Watch this. I'm going to wait till they get closer.
Are there people fishing out there? No, they're letting the fucking dog in the water.
Heck yeah, dude. What are you scared of, Dev? You ready to see some fireworks? Ready for some fireworks?
Yeah.
All right. What?
I come across the bridge. I just seen a small one in there feeding on the fly.
Are they?
Well, I seen that one. He ain't that big.
We want big ones.
And I seen people down by the lake
Yeah?
where the goes in.
Yeah.
Good luck to you.
Thank you. Free fishing day today.
Yeah. Oh, is it?
I'm lighting it off.
You want to see the fireworks? No? Go for it, buddy.
Let's go.
Just don't leave it there, though.
No, I won't. Let's go. Nice one, just followed it. Yeah, I just had a big one follow my jerk bait. Boys, the water is so low and crystal clear. Oh, I just seen two little ones. They're in here. They're in this little riffle. See if we can get on the board right here. The Mepps Brook Trout Blade number 3. Got him. Oh. Little tiny guy here. Little tiny brown. He crushed it immediately. Let's send him back. First cast at my little honey hole here. What was that? I don't know, but it's off. got something. Little smallmouth. Tiny. Got him. That was a nice shot. That was a nice shot, boys. And he crushed it. There's a little brown there. I figured there would be something up under this little brush. And as soon as that thing hit the water, he charged it.